surviving atmospheric friction temperatures approaching 5,000 degrees while trapped inside a cramped metal capsule the exact size of two standard minivans sounds like a terrifying and chaotic scene from a Hollywood science fiction blockbuster, but it is the harsh and dangerous reality for the Artemis Two crew. NASA's historic team of 4 highly trained astronauts from the United States and Canada are currently bracing themselves to violently return to Earth this Friday after an unbelievable 10-day journey all the way to the far dark side of the moon. Reed Wiseman, Victor Glover, Christina Koch, and Jeremy Hansen have been living and working non-stop aboard the highly advanced Orion spacecraft and are fully expected to begin their incredibly dangerous atmospheric reentry at exactly 7:33 p.m. EDT, aiming for a highly tense ocean splashdown at exactly 8:07 p.m. NASA is pulling out all the stops and running a massive continuous live feed so the entire world can hold its breath and watch as the crew safely lands in the Pacific Ocean just off the coast of San Diego, California. This incredible mission is truly one for the history books, marking the very first time in over 50 years that humans have ventured all the way out to lunar orbit. The crew traveled an astonishing and mind-boggling distance of roughly 252,760 miles from Earth, which is basically the exact equivalent of driving between New York City and Los Angeles about 100 times back-to-back. And they did all of this inside a highly confined, habitable living space of just 330 cubic feet. The main objective of this monumental mission is to collect critical flight data that will directly help NASA prepare for actual lunar surface landings with humans in the very near future. The crew spent their days putting the Orion spacecraft through incredibly rigorous planned tests, evaluating critical communication systems with Earth, making precise trajectory adjustments, and preparing for the ultimate final test, which is surviving the fiery reentry. The splashdown phase is honestly one of the most perilous and terrifying moments of the entire space mission. Back in 2022, during the uncrewed Artemis 1 flight, Orion's protective underbelly heat shield was actually unexpectedly damaged upon return. That massive shield is made of a special material called Avcoat, designed to slowly burn away and protect the fragile cabin from extreme atmospheric heat, but it ended up dangerously charring and cracking in ways the engineers did not expect. While NASA firmly insists humans would have definitely survived that flight, the heat shield performance remains a massive point of deep anxiety as everyone watches the sky today. Before I forget, if you are looking to build the next big tech innovation or find your next massive investor, you should definitely check out TechCrunch Disrupt 2026 in San Francisco from October 13th to the 15th, where you can save up to $410 on registration right now. Getting back to the space mission, the crew actually left Earth back on April 1st and immediately dealt with some hilariously mundane issues like glitchy Microsoft Office software and a temporarily malfunctioning space toilet. But those tiny, annoying hiccups were quickly overshadowed by the profound beauty of deep space. They witnessed a total solar eclipse from just a few thousand miles away from the moon. Mission specialist Koch beautifully described the surreal experience of seeing Earthshine, which is the sun's light reflecting directly off our home planet and wrapping the moon in a soft, borrowed glow.